doesn't look dangerous. There's no chaos, no shouting, no rush. Everything looks calm, and that's exactly the problem. Modern military systems don't feel threatening. They feel efficient, quiet, organized, controlled. That's why they matter. Most people think modern warfare changed because weapons became stronger. Bigger explosions, longer range, more power. But power isn't what changed the game. Weapons were already powerful. What really changed was speed. The speed of movement, the speed of confirmation, the speed of decisions. That's where the shift happened. Speed doesn't just save time, it changes behavior. When decisions take time, people hesitate. They double-check, they question, they reconsider. But when systems move fast enough, hesitation disappears. Not because it's forbidden, because there's no time left for it. Systems like HIMARS aren't dangerous because they fire rockets. They're dangerous because they compress time. Targets are identified, coordinates are confirmed, the system moves, and by the time doubt appears, the decision is already executed. Not emotionally, not impulsively, efficiently. From the outside, everything looks controlled. The movements are calm, the steps are precise. Each action follows a clear sequence. Nothing feels rushed, nothing feels chaotic. Operators don't look stressed, they don't argue, they don't hesitate, and that's important because this kind of control doesn't come from strength. It comes from systems designed to remove uncertainty. Automation handles alignment, automation handles verification, automation handles timing. Humans don't disappear from the process, but their role changes. They don't decide whether something happens. They confirm that it already should. And confirmation feels safe. It feels responsible. It feels controlled. But real control isn't just about following procedures. Real control is about having enough time to question a decision before it becomes irreversible. Automation doesn't remove people from the loop. It tightens the loop until there's barely any space left for doubt to exist. Most mistakes don't happen in chaos. They happen in confidence. When systems work perfectly, people stop questioning them. Not because they're careless, because success feels reliable, and reliability creates trust. Sometimes too much trust. This isn't about one system or one country. It's about what happens when speed replaces hesitation, when efficiency replaces reflection. The most dangerous part of modern warfare isn't the weapon. It's how little time humans have left to change their minds.